so I guess we started off with a bit of a budget-friendly 100 amp hour battery, and then sort of worked around that. So obviously we wanted to be able to recharge it with the solar panel. So we've included a Victron 15 amp solar regulator that we got from Caravan RV Camping, and sort of worked around that. Another thing, big bonus that we put on this one is a battery management system. So that's a Renogy one. Again, affordable, and it sort of keeps the cost of everything down. We had to find something to put it in. So for the size of the battery that was suitable for this battery, we went for a pallet case that you could just pick up from Bunnings. And then had a few bits and pieces left over from another camper build that I had an LED light. So I've put the LED light on it with a push button on off switch on the in the actual case. Yeah. Apart from that, I've got an isolator that will isolate everything. And on the sides here, we've got the 50 amp solar input for the solar regulator, and got an unfused 125 amp Andersen plug input to run a inverter off that if you'd like to, or even just charge directly from a charger into that with a lithium charger. So, and then on the top we've got unfused 50 amp output for some of your bigger appliances. Got the two space USB output and the accessory output. So I guess all up it's pretty lightweight. You can just carry it in one hand. That's obviously the benefit of lithium batteries, and yeah, you can, like, we've been running this one for 4 days, Bushman fridge for 4 days on this, and the battery management system is telling us that we're down to 52%. So for those longer trips, it's great. You could build yourself one like this with a smaller battery if you didn't have the need for the 100 amp hour capacity. But all up, I sort of at an estimate. Obviously, the battery is the biggest cost there. This one costs about $400. If you did a smaller one, you'd be able to reduce that cost down. But